Hi YouTube, Swedish Knife Freak here. Today I got my Balisong, or butterfly knife, as they say. Sorry for the coughing, I'm a little bit sick, as you maybe hear on the coughing and stuff. Yeah, this Balisong I've seen some days. It's kind of broke, nearly broke, but it still works to do some tricks with and stuff. I don't know what Balisong it is. I got it from a friend. These are hard to get in Sweden because they are illegal to import, not illegal to own if you are above 20 years of age, which I am, so I have the full right to own one, but you cannot import this into Sweden, so it's pretty hard to get. Luckily for me, I had a friend that he had bought one from one of his friends, and so on. So somewhere this has been imported from, like, some place in Europe, I guess, or China maybe, or whatever. I don't know, I'm missing the screws and the flap here that holds it here. As you can see, it's also missing some. I've actually cut myself on this many times playing with it. It's a pretty sharp. It's pretty sharp, so watch out if you play with it, or play with Balisong or butterfly knife, because you can hurt yourself pretty bad. I would never recommend a double-edged one of these, because then you can hurt yourself really bad. But it's just fun to own one of these. I don't know why this is illegal in Sweden, because I think it was like in the 70s or 80s, these were used by gangs because they were quick to go up. But I mean, come on, a pocket knife nowadays, we can see the difference here. If I take my Summer Killer here, I mean, there, it's up, and I can do that faster, so I mean, like, no way. I mean, it's just a flashing. It's not that fast actually. It's kind of slow nowadays. I mean, now we got the spring assisted and stuff like that and all that. There it's up. And there it's down. I mean, come on, Swedish laws. Actually, I hate these laws. I'd rather just make them like US knife laws. Like you can conceal carry of a knife and stuff like that. Not with the guns, but with a knife it would have been great. Soon they certainly going to do like that you can't own a blade or something, because you can harm another person with it. I mean, it's it's like Swedish knife laws are so ridiculous. Everyone that has a knife or collecting knives or whatever, it doesn't mean that you're going to stab someone with it or kill someone. You can just have it for like EDC, like open boxes and stuff. I mean, not even I can't even legally use this one because this is a tool for killing, they say. So let's say if a police officer comes to me and do a search on me because they have suspect me for a crime or something, I don't know. This can be used against me in the court of law, and I will be prosecuted for carrying this one, because if I don't have a reason to carry it, like I don't use the knife, I use this file to trim, to file down my nails, or maybe cutting my nails with this. I mean, toothpick, like, or maybe a pincher, remove ticks and stuff. I mean, it's so freaking ridiculous that I don't even can carry this one. Not even this knife. If I get caught with this knife on, it's like, a crime against the knife law, or knife law, as they say here. I mean, this is, yes, so it can penetrate my hand, and this is not something I will use to stab someone with, because I think it will broke, or it will backfire and come down on my own hand. So no thank you, good police officers. But yeah, sure, the knife law has its advantages and its flaws. But yeah, to be honest, I usually carry this like in my keychain, and I'm not so worried about it, actually, because I could just say I should use this one, or the toothpick, or the file, or the scissors, because I mostly use those things. These I use for like opening leathers or cutting small boxes or something, like, so it's just so ridiculous. I mean, come on, Swedish knife laws. Yeah, well, sorry for taking your time with the Swedish laws, and it was this one that I should have done a review on, but got caught doing something else, or talking about something else. Well, this is Swedish Knife Freak. Hit the like and subscribe button. Please leave a comment. Thanks and peace out.